The Happy Prince is written by Oscar Wilde. First of all, introduce about the Happy Prince. Means this story is about a statue of a Happy Prince and a little swallow. And a little swallow, the main character of the story. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue stood on a tall pedestal in the middle of the city, from where he looked entire the city what was happening in that city. And the Happy Prince was made up of leaves of gold or golden leaves, and the sword of is made up of ruby, and the eyes of the Happy Prince was were made up of sapphire. These are the types of or sorts of the diamond. Means ruby and sapphire, these are the different types of diamonds. These are very precious and valuable things. Next, one night, a little swallow was flew over the city. During migration, most of the birds and animals they give up their places due to the weather changing. Weather changing के कारण they do not adopt their body according to the weather. जब वे जो है अपने बॉडी को जो है वेदर के अकॉर्डिंग जो है अपने बॉडी को जो है नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो दे माइग्रेट वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. सो अ लिटिल swallow flew over the city because he was going to, means the little swallow was going to Egypt, where the most of the friends most of the friends were flew away or went away to Egypt before 2 weeks. 2 सप्ताह पहले उसकी जो है मित्र यानी लिटिल स्वैलो के जो है इजिप्ट जा चुके थे. दैट टाइम वॉज विंटर. वह जो समय था वह जो है विंटर का था. When he went to the or reached the harbor of the sea, जब वह जो है हार्बर ऑफ द सी मीन समुद्र के पतन पे पहुंचा, तो that time was night, so he returned to the over city and find out his shelter, so that he might spend the night. After night, she continued with going to the Egypt. So the little swallow flew over the city, looked for his shelter. He found out there were no place in the city, but the statue of the Happy Prince who was located in the middle of the city on a pedestal. Between of the feet of the Happy Prince, he located or put himself to spend the night. रात व्यतीत करने के लिए वह जो है अपना शरण जो है उस स्टैचू के दोनों पैरों के बीच में जो है अपने आप को जो है सुरक्षित स्थान पाता है. When he was about are going to sleep, that time one big drop of water fall or fell on him. उसके ऊपर जो है एक जो है ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर जो है गिरता है, लगभग जब वह जो है सोने को होता है. When he think about the drop, another drop of water fell again over him. दूसरा बूंद भी जो है उसके ऊपर जो है गिरता है. As he looked in the sky, that times there were no cloud in the sky, and one and another the stars were twinkling in the sky. So no reason for the falling of the drop of water. पानी गिरने या वर्षा की बूंदे या कोई भी जो है वाटर की बूंद जो है गिरने का जो है रीजन ही नहीं था. Think about that and he decided to go away from the statue. The third drop of water falls upon him. जैसे एक बार जो है सोचा कि अब जो है इस स्थान को छोड़कर हम दूसरा स्थान देखें, क्योंकि यह स्टैचू जो है could not protect him at this night. इस रात को स्टैचू जो है हमारी रक्षा नहीं कर पाएगी या बचा नहीं पाएगा, तो इसलिए वह जो है दूसरे स्थान को जाने को हुआ. तब तक जब तीसरी बूंद उसके ऊपर आ गिरती है. When he looked up, he saw there were many tears on the cheek of the happy prince. He flew over the soldier and asked, वह जो हैप्पी प्रिंस के कंधे पर गया and asked, who are you and why are you crying? तुम कौन हो और तुम जो है रो रहे हो. At that time the happy prince replied that once upon a time when I am child, I am living his childhood, I am happy prince, and at that times I don't know about the poverty, suffering, or starvation. At that times I had a kind-hearted and happy. That times the most of the courtiers called me the happy prince. मीन्स जब बचपन में मैं जो है जब महल में रहता था, एट दैट टाइम आई डिड नॉट नो, मैं नहीं जानता था अबाउट सफरिंग यानी कि दुखों को, गरीबी को और भूख को मैं नहीं जानता था. आफ्टर माई डेथ द कोर्टियर्स मेड अप द स्टैचू ऑफ मी, मीन्स द हैप्पी प्रिंस, एंड दे लोकेटेड on the pedestal where they joined my feet with my pedestal. इस pedestal से जो है मेरे पैरों को जकड़ दिए और मुझे जो है यहाँ पे लोकेट कर दिए, स्थित कर दिए. From where I looked the entire city, मैं पूरे नगर को जो है देख सकूं. So there were many poverty, many starvation person and suffer. They were suffering in my city. Most of the people live here. बहुत सारे लोग जो है यहाँ पे जो है रह रहे हैं और वे जो है गरीबी, भूखमरी और दुखों से जो है सफर कर रहे हैं. I wanted to help them, but my feet were joined with the pedestal from where I do not move. Sorry, I cannot move from anywhere. Please help me. वह जो है बताता है कि मैं जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस बताया कि मैं जो है मेरे पैर जकड़े होने के कारण जो है मैं जो है मूव नहीं कर सकता हूँ. एंड ही रिक्वेस्टेड टू द swallow to help the other person or help the happy prince. वह जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस कहता है कि मेरी मदद करो. एंड इन द सिटी a seamstress who was stitching gown or clothes for a life, and her baby was suffering from starvation and fever. He was shivering from, and there were no orange or anything to provide to the boys or baby to take away from that starvation. बच्चा जो है भूखा है, हंग्री है, और उसको खाने के लिए जो है उसके पास यानी किसी मिस्ट्रेस के पास यानी कि दर्जन के पास कुछ नहीं है जिससे जो है वह जो है अपनी भूख को जो है दूर कर सके. प्लीज plug out the ruby and help the seamstress. That time the little swallow denied to help the happy prince because his friends were also waiting for him in Egypt. But after requesting, because the swallow also a kind-hearted bird. So, at last he decided and accepted the request of the happy prince and plucked out the ruby from the sword of the happy prince and put it in his beak and bringing it to the hut of the seamstress from where beside of the seamstress a table also and her baby was sleeping. He planted with rings to the baby of the seamstress and put there the ruby and out from the hut and returned to the happy prince and told the story of that what he done. जो उसने किया था वो जो पूरा जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस को उसने जो है बताया. आफ्टर फ्लैकिंग ऑफ द विंग्स द बेबी वाज कवर्ड हिमसेल्फ. अपने आप के स्वास्थ्य को जो है वो जो है कवर किया. आफ्टर वन नाइट एंड द सेकेंड डे द swallow also requested to the happy prince, now I am going to the Egypt. मैं जो है आप जो है इजिप्ट जा रहा हूँ. Then the happy prince again requested to the little swallow, please help again or one again to play Arthur. Do you know about the play Arthur? Play Arthur means the person who write a play or drama or story. जो कि ड्रामा लिख रहा हो या स्टोरी लिख रहा हो या जो है अदर, दिस पर्सन इज नोन एज प्ले अथर और अथर. सो ही वाज द एज ऑफ द स्टार्वेशन. ही हैड नो एनीथिंग टू eat. After completing the play writing for the theater, he find out someone is. After that he get anything to eat. मीन्स वह जो प्ले लिख रहा है थिएटर के लिए, वो जब कंप्लीट होगा तब उसके पास जो है कुछ मिलेगा, तब वह जो है उससे जो है कुछ खाएगा, तब उसकी जो है भूखमरी जो है समाप्त होगी. सो ही वाज एट द एज ऑफ द स्टार्वेशन. प्लीज प्लग आउट the spire of my one eye and help the play Arthur. मेरी एक आंख से जो है उस स्पायर को यानी जो डायमंड है उसको निकालो और उसको जो है ले आओ, ताकि जो है उससे जो है वो जो है कुछ खरीद कर जो है अपनी भूखमरी को जो है दूर कर सके या अपनी भूख को जो है मिटा सके. First time the swallow denied to plug out the spire from his eyes because he was a kind-hearted person, a bird. वो जो kind-hearted bird है, anyone no think about the plug out of any eyes. कोई भी जो है व्यक्ति जो kind-hearted है और person नहीं चाहेगा कि वह जो है किसी के जो है आंखों से जो है उसकी आंख पुतली को जो है निकाले. But the happy prince told to the swallow that what was the purpose of this thing when my people they were at the age of starvation or hungry or poverty and no importance of these things in me. Means कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंस जो है थिंग्स का नहीं है जब जो है यह हमारे अंदर हो या हमारे पे पड़ा हुआ है. These are the necessary or needs to the other person. Those are age of or they are suffered from poverty, starvation, or suffering from other diseases. So that these things help to the person. Means इन वस्तुओं का कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंस जो है इस मूर्ति में नहीं है. ये हमारे पास जो है इसकी कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है. इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस कब होगी जब वो जो है दूसरों की मदद करेगा. इसलिए जो है सो यू प्लग आउट द स्पायर एंड हेल्प द प्ले Arthur. Then the swallow accepted his request and plucked out one spire from the eyes of the happy prince and bring it to the play Arthur. After taking the spire, the play Arthur was happy. प्रसन्न हुआ एंड आफ्टर सेलिंग देम ही bought something to eat. And another, in the wind, the swallow again returned to the happy prince. Again, the happy prince requested to the swallow. When the swallow was give up or give away from there or flew away from the statue. स्टैचू से याद आ हैप्पी प्रिंस जब वो जो है छोड़कर जाने वाला था या उड़ने वाला था, वैसे ही जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस अगेन रिक्वेस्टेड टू हेल्प द मैचेज गर्ल. मैचेज गर्ल मीन्स क्या, सलाई वाली लड़की. मीन्स her father gave some money or something to bring out the matches, so that he sold them and made buy something to eat. The matches were falling into the gutter. एक नाले में जो है वो मैचेस ले आ रही थी गर्ल, और वह जो पूरा का पूरा जो है किसमें गिर गया, गटर्स में गिर गया. जैसे ही गटर्स में गिरता है, द मैचेस गर्ल वाज क्राइंग सो दैट हिज फादर, उसके पिताजी जो है when she was crying after falling off the matches. She was crying so that his father was scolded her, उसको डांटेंगे, or would be beating her. So the happy prince request to the swallow, please help once again and pluck out of the spire and take it to the matches girl. But that time no one think about to make a blind of anyone. कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा किसी की जो है दूसरी आंख भी निकालकर उसे अंधा बना दिया जाए. So the swallow again denied such types of requesting of the happy prince. So the swallow asked or accept the happy prince and pluck out the second square of the happy prince's eyes and ask help to the matches girl. वह जो है matches girl की जो है मदद किया. After returning to the happy prince, he told the whole story of the city and told him that now I am going to the Egypt where my friend waiting for me. Now when he started his journey from the statue, he think about that why and in which condition I am giving of the happy prince in blindness. मैं अंधेपन में जो है क्यों और कैसे जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस को छोड़ रहा हूँ. So from the harbor he returned to the happy prince again and told him, now I spend my life with you. मैं जो है आपकी जो है पूरी लाइफ जो है आपके साथ रहूँगा. At the night cold also increasing, ठंडी जो है और जो है बढ़ती गई. The happy prince again requested to the swallow, please go to Egypt. But the swallow denied and he told that I want to kiss your hand before going there. वहाँ जाने से पहले मैं तुम्हारे हाथ को जो है छूना चाहता हूँ. When he kissed the happy prince's hand, he felt that now I will not alive for a long time. मैं अब जो है अधिक समय तक जीवित नहीं रह सकता हूँ. So he flew on the shoulders of the statue and told the happy prince to kiss the lip of the happy prince and say that now I am about to go. मैं अब जो है जाने वाला हूँ। जाने वाला हूँ मीन्स he felt that about to die, but the happy prince felt about to Egypt. That is the difference thinking of thing. Means happy prince सोचता है इजिप्ट जाने को कह रहा है और स्वैरो ने जो है मरने को कहा है। As soon as the swallow kissed the lip of the happy prince, he fell down after dying. जैसे उसने जो है किस किया जो उसकी lip को, वैसे ही वह जो है मरकर जो नीचे गिर जाता है। After falling down of the swallow, the statue breaking with a sound, वह भी जो है पूरी तरह जो है टूट गया। एंड फॉलिंग डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड, और नीचे जो है गिर पड़ा। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग व्हेन द मेयर observing or visit to the city with his courtiers, he saw that there are many dirty things in the city. One of them, the happy prince statue, when he ordered to the courtiers to put away it into the furnace for melting. When they put away that happy prince, they find out a swallow, a dead swallow, between the feet of the statue. They threw away the swallow out of the city where most of the dirty things are heaped. जहाँ पे जो है बहुत सारे जो है ढेर लगे हुए थे गंदगी में, वहाँ पे जो है swallow की जो है डेड बॉडी को फेंक दिए। एंड अनदर आफ्टर melting the statue, one thinks those are made up of heart, made up of a lead से बना हुआ जो heart था आपका happy prince might not melted, वह जो है मेल्ट नहीं हो सका, यानी कि पिघल नहीं सका। They threw away the leaden heart where the swallow was lying. वहीं पे जो है उसको जो है फेंका गया जहाँ पे जो है स्वैलो की डेड बॉडी जो है पड़ी हुई थी। One day the god called his one of the angels and told him that to take two things of the beautiful or most important or valuable things from the city. The angels moved away to the whole city and find out two things. Those are leaden heart and dead swallow. After observing the god faced the angel the choice of the things. वस्तुओं के चयन में जो है एंजल्स को की उन्होंने प्रशंसा किया एंड told that these two things they increase my beautify of the garden. वे जो है मेरे गार्डन की जो है शोभा बढ़ाएंगे। मीन्स the leaden heart will make a flower and the bird as a singing bird in the garden. So these are the two kind-hearted things of that city and important things of that city. These are the summary of this lesson. यही जो है इस लेसन की जो है समरी है।